Maybe I not just worry. At 30 minutes, I'll walk with this evening. Yes, good evening, my people. Please share this message, I invite your friends, I just need to pass this message quickly to everyone. Share the message and invite your friends. Very important, very, very important. I'm not going to take much of your time today, Please, just invite your friend and share, We just in twin number here, We need more people before we start our message this evening, and I'm not going to take much of your time, So please invite your friends. Be happy. Share up, Yes. Be glad, be delighted, be happy, be merry. It's very, very important, Please. Yes. Invite your friend, invite your friend little bit, At least we are just two in number. Just share, And two in number here. So, yes, invite others. Thank you, my sister Sophia. God bless you. I saw your words of encouragement to our people. May God bless you. You are a great woman indeed. And then I have some other message too to pass to my people. So please share this message. It's very, very important. And invite your friends. Yes. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, my sister. Good evening. Yes. Oh, hey, Biafra. I'm not going to take much of your time this evening. Oh, hey. We must continue. Oh, hey, Biafra. May God bless you all. May God bless you. You great people of Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra. Yeah. I just want every one of you to be strong, be strong, be courageous, and keep that doggedness in you. That is life, It's not easy to fight for freedom. That is one thing you must understand, In freedom, when you fight in freedom, you need to be strong, you need to be smart, you need to be courageous, you need to know God as well. It's very, very important. And I want every one of you to be 100% strong that Biafra is here already. Mazuna Adikanu, a lot of people have been calling me since too, a lot. They'll be calling me, oh bro, we know you close to him, you close to that. You guys are in the struggle. What is happening? What we've seen on the internet, is it true that Mazi Kanu was arrested? Now I want to tell you, my people, you must understand how Nigeria government play their game. They are evil. They are very wicked. They are very wicked and evil people. This is one thing you must understand. They lie all the time. Very deceitful people. Now, if you remember, Mazi Kanu said it, I think about 4 weeks ago, that he's going to Nigeria, that he wants to return back home and continue the struggle there, that as soon as he gets home, he's going to declare Biafra, which of course he said it before leaving, that he will leave after 2 weeks. He said it on air, so this shouldn't be a big deal to you guys. He said this thing on air before leaving. That is the fact. So if Nigeria government are saying that they extradite Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did you know who we're talking about here? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very great man, well known. So you don't extradite people like that. We extradite. I want to ask you, if they truly extradite Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where did he follow? For example, where do they follow, for example? Before they come to Mazi and went to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu house in the first place, for example, there must be people around him, right? Who will do video, to show to the world that they are arresting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they want to extradite him, or they are taking it. Somebody will do the video, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu too live with people as well. He doesn't live alone, right? So people will do this video. Apart from that, so where did he follow? Where do they arrest him? Where did he follow? Is it at least he left wherever he's living with flight, right? To say, so somebody normally would see him in the flight and say, I saw Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the flight, or with handcuff and something like that. What is happening? What is going on? There must be somebody on that flight too that will report this thing. So you people must understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu went home himself. He said it on air. So Nigerian government should start lying that they extradite this, they extradite this. This is why people will never believe that. They keep lying all the time, keep lying. I don't know this kind of people in my life. Why do they believe in? And some of you who are rejoicing, laughing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not your mate. Till the world end, he still remains the greatest freedom fighter on earth. That is the truth. The greatest freedom fighter in the history of Africa. I want you guys to know that. So I don't know what you are rejoicing about. I don't know what you are dancing for. I don't know what you are rejoicing for because it's not yet over. The battle has just begun. This is what you must know. You don't even know what they are doing with him, right? If you listen to somebody that was talking on that background, one woman said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he dressed on suit. He's not in Kuje prison. He's on suit. But they are trying, he's a high-profile man. For someone to tell you that somebody is high-profile person, did you know what it means? Obama is high-profile man, if you don't know. Obama is a high-profile man. One journalist is saying high-profile person. Obama is high-profile person. All of you that is making us, can anybody call you high-profile person? The journalist, the useless journalist, BBC journalist, he was saying, or she was saying, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that he didn't see him. They didn't allow how to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He couldn't see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but they whisked him away. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in a safe hand. He dressed with suit. He's okay. He dressed with suit. He's okay. He's a high-profile person. Did you know when someone said you are a high-profile person? Let me tell you, Boris Johnson is high-profile person. Obama is high-profile person. When they are saying high-profile, that is what high-profile means. So he's there to do his own thing. So leave him. Let's watch and see what's going to happen. So we believe Biafra is here already. We know Nigeria. We know Nigeria. All this underground work that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been doing. The British as well. We know them. Forget this thing. We know what they are trying to do. So Biafra will come. So whatsoever, let's wait and see what will be the outcome. We know the outcome is going to be a wonderful one. And let me tell you, if you think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is someone you can hurt him. He's smart, intelligent. It's not a kid. It's not somebody you can catch and just kill. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen anyway. So don't be afraid. Our people should be strong and be courageous. Be strong. Remember who you are and keep fighting. Keep doing what you know how to do best. Keep doing it for the world to know, because yet they are telling you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we did not. Is there anybody that even let's say if you're taking someone to court, definitely you're going to see his face, video, and all that. Why are they not showing his video? So maybe very soon they will start showing his video when they take him to court and all that. Then you will know what we're saying is true. So don't just disturb yourself. Then you will know what we are saying is true. Don't disturb yourself. Nigerian government, they are not going to do anything. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is bigger than somebody that you can hold. That is one of the reasons why the innocent man travel abroad, to create awareness. The whole world now know who he is. So if you don't know how to fight, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very smart. He knows how to fight this freedom more than every other person. For example, if the last time they went to his house to try to kill him with ammo tank, if they succeeded on that mission, everything would have been over by now. But did you know, because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu escaped that evil plan of Nigeria government and came to Europe to say and expose everything about Nigeria, expose everything that has been going on in the contraption called Nigeria. For that reason, nothing will ever, are you listening to me? Nothing will ever happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because the whole world now know who he is. They now know what our people are fighting for. So the man did a very perfect job. He's more smarter than every other person. I want you to know that. So he's going there for, you don't know what they are trying to do with him or talk with him. They are there for discussion on something. We know our government. They don't have power. That is the fact. That is the fact. Oh, if anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, for example, everything in Nigeria will end. That is the fact. You guys know. It will be bloody. They know. So don't just be afraid of anything. It will be, if anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, for example, everything. The Nigerian government know. Did you know what will happen? Hey, it will be something else. I tell you entirely. So they know this, because self-determination is normal. Self-determination is normal. You have the right to do whatsoever you want to do. That is the truth. You have the right to decide who to live with and who not to live with. So self-determination of Biafra is their own right. It's our right to ask for it. So what is Fulani government? What are they doing with their people? So there is evidence everywhere that the Fulani government, they've been killing our people, they've been destroying our land, they've been raping our people. As we're talking at the end, everywhere, even the land of Esana, the land of Edo is almost gone. So you people that are rejoicing, don't rejoice yet, because if the thing is too worst, if it's too much, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will go with his own. With his own land. That is the fact. If this thing is too much, I'm telling you the fact. I'm from Iduland. But if this thing is too much, if it's too much, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will go with the 5 states. Then allow Fulani to chew you raw. Then that you will cry. You will never see tears, because right now, you know what is happening? In Edo State, in Esan, every day we are receiving call, kidnapping, killing in Esan Road. Everything is kill. Every day is killing. We receive call every day, kidnapping 24 hours. Fulani has taken over everywhere in our state. Every bushes, our people are being raped in Esan. Our people are being kidnapped. You heard what happened? That one of a great Esan man was almost killed yesterday or today. And Abba Toma, very popular and a rich man, was almost killed by the Fulani people in that same road. So don't worry. For those of you who are rejoicing, relax. If the thing is too much, if I were to be there, I swear to God, they have been begging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for long, self to take the 5 states. They've been begging him for long, right from when he was in Kuje prison. So if the thing is too bad, he will take everywhere that belongs to Biafra, all the way to Agbo, where they have Igbo community, he will take all. Then I leave you with your one Nigeria, and I bet you with two more. See, tears go there, everybody. That fact now, who are they? Who are in your land today? Our villages, music. As some always sing of recent. He said, they know if you go farm again. You cannot go to your farm. You cannot do nothing. There is not everybody is afraid of Fulani herdsmen. They are everywhere. You cannot cook. You cannot farm. You cannot go to your bush and come back safely. Women don't go to the farm anymore. Men don't go to the farm. You can't do nothing because Fulani, they are everywhere raping people with AK-47. So for those of you, some of you too, who have been rejoicing, the wicked one among you, don't worry. We, the freedom fighter, we will support everything till Biafra come. Even if it's going to take them that only 5 states too, and take everywhere that Igbo people are living, they have to give them all the way to Agbo. We will be very happy if they can give them all everywhere, because I will stand on that till Biafra come. If they can give them all, let them go. And me and you will watch. Don't compare me and you to one, because if he said I fit speak for visa, I will dey Igbo land. They know me already. I will go relax. Those of una wey dey fight for this freedom, they know una already. Now go still go that Biafra land, go relax. We go leave zoo for. So those of we know wetin go play at the edge. But don't be afraid. Those of you that have been fighting for this freedom, keep fighting for it, because we know by the time Biafra come, we are going with, by the time Biafra come, if the thing is too worst, those of you that have been fighting for Biafra, they know you all. If the zoo is too worst, you will pack your load, you will go to Biafra land, and you will enjoy with them because they know you. Yeah, we have no problem. But Fulani will through with every one of you that have been supporting this evil. We know the fact now. Are these people, are they not crying? The same Ijaw community, what do they call it? Ogoni community. And they are crying. The elders are saying Fulani have taken over their farm. Just yesterday here, all their bushes everywhere, Fulanis are everywhere. They've taken over the forest, taken everywhere. That is just the tip of iceberg when Biafra left you. When Biafra go, finally, when Biafra come, that you see what is happening to you now. It's just the tip of iceberg, because the people that have been stopping them not to take over your life and your land are the true Igbo people. That is the fact. We cannot hide it. So right now, when this thing come, all of us, every genuine freedom fighter that had been fighting for Biafra, we must continue to make sure that Biafra have their land all the way to Agbo. They have everywhere, every Igbo community, they take all. Then we now, let's watch what will happen. Don't count me and you, because I will never suffer. When the time is coming, if the thing is too tough, I'll just take my visa. Bam! I'm there. They know me already. Those of you who have been sharing comments, those of you who have been talking, they know you. Your faces are everywhere. Don't worry. You will live well. If the time is when that time come, you can take your thing and go seek visa or go seek. Look for visa that will take you immediately. Then, as you get in there, they will give you everything you want. It's the fact. Then those that have been camping for one Nigeria, let's see what Fulani will do to them. It's the reality. That is what is going to happen if you don't know. That is what is going to happen. So those of you who will be fighting for freedom, keep fighting. We will keep fighting until Biafra comes. We will keep fighting until the end of Biafra. It's not yet over. It's not yet over. And I want every one of you to know that you should be confident. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is too big for anybody. That is the fact. This Nigerian government, they are nobody. It's the truth. They are good. We know that. Have they not been begging him? They beg him to become vice president. They beg him with many things. This time around, what they are going to do, we know. If it is too much, they'll say, okay, brother. They've been working, doing underground work. Nigerian government and UK government. We know. So if this thing is too much, if it's too much, when it's too much, they will say take every Igbo speaking Biafra everywhere, like all the way to Delta State. We will vote for it too. All the way we will make sure even Nigerian government cannot do this. That is why all comrades must remain. We are all African. All comrades must be on their duty and remember who you are. Be strong. Do not be weary. Remain strong until they are free. That is the fact. Whether they will join them, we did not join them. They must be free. All comrades, all true African comrades must remain until Biafra is free. You know what? We will wait until they get it all the way to Agbo. They are going to free. They will have it all the way to Agbo. Agbo is 100% Biafra. They speak Igbo. We will even give the Igbanke. Igbanke, they will take it. It's the fact. Nobody will. They will take it. They will also go to that Iguacha. Tell wherever the Igbo speaking Biafra is, that they take all. Then, all of us, those who believe in this one Nigeria that have been doing evil, you enjoy your one Nigeria. Then, because we know between 2 months, Fulani, they will masticate you. You know what that means? To chew you. They will chew you to something else, and we will be laughing. And I tell you, nothing is going to happen to us. So all of you that have been sharing comment, those of you that have been comment, that have been working for Biafra, keep on doing it because they all know you. Because when that time come, you might have dual document, dual passport. If it's too much, you just take your load and go relax. But if they hot, when Fulani they kill them, you'll take your team, go stay Biafra land, they enjoy there. From there, they watch them. It's the truth. But something must give Biafra that land. It's the truth. At least they will do 100% more better than they have a friend, Abazona and all. And we bet you, not be safe for maths. We bet you in 2 weeks, just 2, 3, just 4 months or 5 months of their independence. You see this your oil word that you'll be saying I'm Niger Delta, I'm Izon and this. Your fish, you cannot even take it anymore. That time, when that time comes, your fish, the fish in that water that you'll be clearing, they will tell you where to walk to. Don't move to that place. We know everything, so don't worry. Cool down. Let Biafra come. Cool down. Cool down. We're in this together. So everybody that have been fighting for this freedom, remain who you are. Oduduwa people, remain who you are. Keep fighting. Remain strong. Biafra is going to come. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there already. He's a soldier. He's a hero. He's a great man. And God is with him. He knows what to do. And before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left Europe for that same zoo, he must have done a lot. That is the truth that you don't know. So stop. You can never know his plan. That is the truth. So stop rejoicing. You can never know his plan. Because before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left Europe for Nigeria, he must have done a lot. You know the truth. You know now. All this while we know people have been begging. They've been discussing. They've been doing underground, including the UK, dialogue upon dialogue everywhere. So shame is coming upon you guys. Not him, not any Igbo man. You that is thinking that what are they going to do? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been arrested. Shame will catch you very soon. Shame will catch you. Let me tell you, all Biafra land, for example, all the ones you call the 5 Igbo speaking Biafra, all those places, ti Asaba, ti Delta State, ti Banka, ti Obigbo, ti all those areas, if you check it very well, it's bigger than Austria. It's bigger than many countries, very big. And they can live well. You understand? And live well, they will become the giant of Africa. Just watch. You see you that has been supporting evil. You want to be in one Nigeria, you will enjoy one Nigeria. So all comrades, please remain strong. Remember who you are. All comrades, do not be weary, do not be dismayed. Don't be afraid. Those of you that have been sharing the message, that have been supporting Biafra, keep supporting it. Keep fighting. Keep fighting until the freedom of Biafra come. That is the truth. Until Biafra is free. That is the truth. Remember who you are. That makes you a true African. To say the fact, you must fight and fight until you see your fellow African is free from bondage, is free from being oppressed, is free from being killed. So don't worry. We are in together. If they like, let them manipulate everything. We know very well that something is going on. Something is going on. So you people should not be afraid. Be strong. Don't go and start quivering or shivering or saying all kinds of rubbish that you shouldn't say in the first place. Don't say anything. Remain who you are. Remain focused. The freedom of Biafra is at hand already. Biafra is here. Watch out. Just watch out and see what is going to be the outcome. We know how everything is going to happen. So watch out and see what is going to be the outcome of this thing. Those of you that are rejoicing, shame we should take over your life. Because this same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu you are criticizing or you dancing for, you rejoicing that he has been arrested. You don't know you that is rejoicing, you don't know your left and right. Because how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you did not see handcuff on his hand, for example. You did not see the video. And this same man told you that he's going to Africa already. He said it 4 weeks ago before he left. And before he left for the same Africa, he must have done a lot of underground work. The man has been fighting, has been moving from one place to another. And the UK, they've been crying. They've been moving from one place to another, crawling on their floor everywhere. Dialogue is on the way. Maybe for them to have their own way and live their life. Huh? You where they say this one where they say Ahige. You don't hear say Fulani don't take over Esan land. You know the shame. You know the shame. You Ahige where you they say they don't catch. You know the here say they won't kill Esan rich men finish. You know say yesterday they won't kill one. You know the shame. This time a million of una, you know the shame. Say Fulani won't kill and finish for your land. I be confirmed some yes I'm making. You know yesterday they won't kill one great minister, former minister of work before. You know yesterday they won't kill him from ever to they won't kill him yesterday. You know how many people that they arrest for your farm to today. You know yesterday your mama and your papa they know the fifth family. Well, mama yes we will. But not worry. We are praying now, made that Biafra, all comrades must stand strong, remain strong until Biafra is free. By the time Biafra free, even another 5 states, go reach Asaba, go reach Ibanke, Agbo, they will collect them. But you see, you will be a Higia, this Higia, all of them will cry. Me, I be confirmed, Esa. But when the thing said, they know me, I will go back to their land. So if you go hide there, they watch you now. Because Fulani go masticate you now, they go chew now. Is the fact. They are killing you already. I've been, they sing, some musician where they sing everywhere, say Fulani don't collect our land. I've been, we be some brothers where they talk every day, say Fulani don't take everywhere. Every day that they kidnap her, you never, I don't know whether something I they put for now, I want to no content they see again. No worry. By the time Igbo speaking Biafra now come out for this Nigeria, now go know their words. That time, tears go down our face, now no go see tears for eye. You know, say God is very great. God won't show now people where they protect now for long. I won't make you know that one. Not be all those noise where everybody. You now, what you don't feel do, you will comment. You don't feel comment again. You don't feel comment, he say again. I want to see you comment now. Comment now, make I see your comment again. You know the shame? When who know the shame, a big thief in the thief. You know the shame, your mama, our mother, for that they cry, all Esala they cry, our father they cry. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how didn't they senior you? Where they fight to liberate every one of you. You not go do the job. How old una Mazuna Adika to senior you? Me where they talk, how old I senior you? So you won't compare myself with you where they talk about Esa every day I want to liberate our land, our people they suffer. Are you normal? Are you a Esa man? Are you normal human being? You should be ashamed of yourself. You are a woman. I go out and want to act babena. What is this one called it? What are cabena? What you call the talk for here? Men they talk, woman they talk again. Even our great women, they better pass you where they fight for freedom, all this one. I go out, you are going to and he say he gave. What you they talk? You not man. Mazuna the can how are they testing you where they fight to liberate everybody for Biafra land. Me where they talk, I senior you. I don't senior you where they talk how to liberate a son everywhere all you do land made them free. What you don't do? What have you done? What have you done? You don't do anything. I mean, don't you know you are supposed to be working? What have you done? No, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I don't know this youngest son. I don't know where I for come. Whether our father truly born, I don't know again. Because I know they weak like this before. Yes, I talk through 24 hours. You can't most of now where they see these days, you talk rubbish. Some of you now. Where they see these days. Over there now you are going. Yes, I'm not where they know way back. Nobody they talk with their parents and their mother and their land. Over there now you are telling one of no back. Where you worry with the watch now. All comrades keep on fighting. Biafra must come. And we go must fight the thing tomorrow. Nigeria government go give them every land where be say Igbo, where they for the speak Igbo, go to Shigbanke. Because you see this our area where they form all this one. I want to see what they want to do with Nigeria. Maybe where the real people come out. Let's see. For now, I go still talk now. As we they talk now, go on and never come out now. Ask Buhari say. Now, Mazuna the kind of Biafra, now they kidnap our mama, now they rape our sister now, where they destroy our land, where no make us farm. Now then they kill lecturer, now then they, if you know, if you know how many calls they receive for us every day, you will tire. Our lecturer yesterday, they almost kidnapped one lecturer. He escaped for help from there. Oh, you think say people know they call me Abi? You think say I be clown? Abi? Now, what do you think now? That they kidnap, that the people they come, they praise me, say, my brother, continue the work, whether our people go feel wake up, they won't finish us. Labour time they keep PhD holder, Esa Percy, they kill him. You there you can't talk. But what is the proof for now? I want no fit a reason. I ask you now, Mazuna the count, now they rape our mama. Whether they now carry our farmland, now you go collect them. Now they keep people for the food he do and everywhere where they go for round. Oh, I been now, okay, Ogoni, Elder West Florida occupy their farmland everywhere with AK-47 this morning. Now, Igbo, they say occupy their land, I've been a Mazuna the counter. No worry. You see, with this thing where they say, when a whole of never know. I want beg our comrade, maybe we just the beg, maybe they just get their land. We go make sure say they collect and go reach everywhere where they speak Igbo pass, maybe they collect them. Then those where be say that they cry for, say they, oh yeah, I swear in 5 months, fish where they your water, you know, go fit kill them. I be not before I won't know. You know, your room self, you know, go sleep. If Biafra get their independence after 5 or 6 months, your own after your room, you know, go sleep. Then you go know damage what you don't do to yourself. Then you go know what hatred don't do to you. They tell me say whether I never hear say my leader the cash. Now my leader, me too, I be leader. You don't know say I be leader. You what you be? You just come this world, come they look one place, boy. Who you agbon? Oh, agbon you who okay your agbon? And all fool I can't look this world where no know what God create am for purpose where God no be farm you the farm, no be nothing. You can't hear come they not be talk you they talk, not be nothing. Come here, I don't get to that time. Everybody, I'll just they hit everybody where come here. If you see me for road, ask me. We don't they kill anybody, but we they talk true to make sure say everybody free. Come here, they say, you never hear say they don't catch your leader. You too, you never hear say which leader they catch. If you know the shame, if you not maybe in Africa, they know say most of them they be mugu. They don't know, even though they be professor, they be mugu. Everything where FG talk, they will say FG don't talk. FG don't talk. They not go even reason say this kind of thing if it happen for abroad. Great Mazuna they will come extradite. Meanwhile, same person don't tell you say they call home after 2 weeks. Then they go arrest her. You know, ask yourself, say, where the car follow? Nobody do video. Nowhere the car follow. I be nobody they say they no video and they say they don't carry her. Nobody sit down with them for inside flight and they return at home. No say no wonder Nigeria government use una brain for long. It goes just come out for there. Immediately you see some Mazuradi car they come, they walk out with Biafra paper. As they walk out, then you two ready to face the jihad that time. Because that time the full jihad I will see time to take carry your land finish. So mark my word, as they walk out for that place where you see say they tell you say they don't know where it is. You don't say all those ignorant those journalists. They cannot come court, but you know they Kuje prison. He wear suit. You know they Kuje prison. But you say you don't see person. But some of you say he wear suit. He do this one. He did okay. It's high profile man. The same person official for where they dey, but he just dey fine. No be prison day. Can you imagine? And you come here, come they rejoice. You know the kind of your mate. Person wey destroy Nigeria reach like this. How you can't believe saying I won't get what I want to? Wey hold Nigeria ransom come reach today. How I won't get in I won't come do? Meanwhile, as me and you dey talk now, Boko Haram don collect the whole military base for north. You know fit come talk say wetin Buhari dey do. Abakari, you know fit ask yourself wetin dey Abakari wetin dey do for our Biafra land. Why you no go north where be say Boko Haram take over? You dey here come dey talk say you know see say they don catch your leader. Men na quick hear me. Yes, I na working. This one true na yes and be. This one been a great Benin for still come. You two na yes and you be abi you two na great Benin because no yes and man weak like this. Yes and people they are not weak like this. Abi na delay binu miss blood you be. When you won't come the attack person, you go on now see what they want to do. You get some boys where me know where some women, all of them they join this struggle, that they ride, that they find how to liberate your land. You there here come the right rubbish. I don't wonder me bafu. Don't worry, you will enjoy your one Nigeria. Now you will soon enjoy your one Nigeria, one nana. Yeah? No worry, now we'll enjoy one Nigeria. I don't get too much time to come talk here today because I get a lot to talk this evening, but I don't want to pass many messages. I just see they okay for now. Maybe by weekend I will come with other thing where I won't come talk. You they talk anyhow. Your country, your government, where your Senate president, he tell you say he don't broke. You where they talk, where they right. He said your Senate president they don't broke. He said Nigeria broke. Nigeria where be say, you know what? Oh, Baba, I beg you, Heavenly Father, maybe say he work out, maybe just give them. Everywhere where Biafra, everywhere where Igbo speaking Biafra, may they give them go to bank everywhere, may they collect all Igbo place. They make we see what won't happen to them. We'll see on our fate at the end. Nigeria going to tell you say they're broke. Nigeria is one of the richest countries for the whole world. How Igbo now go watch the year say the Senate president they send you in a country broke, and you come here call the right rubbish. The whole world they listen to that man when say Nigeria government are broke, they are poor now. One country where they don't say is one of the richest country for the whole world. Your Senate president tell you say he broke. Abi? No worry. Sultan of Sokoto, he don't still tell you, say that the oil where they get, their crude oil where they get for north, if he feed the whole Nigeria. Some my prophecies, they don't see they come true to pass. I tell you at that time, say, una crude oil that they store. This evening, I be here today, he write and be this morning, I don't write and come and say, oil where the crude oil where they get for north, he go feed them. He go feed the whole Nigeria, which means your so-called Nigeria data oil, they don't store for bunker. And they tell them for long. Say they don't store for bunker, even if they break, they don't will suffer. He don't finally talk on this morning. Say oil where they get for north, he go feed the whole Nigeria. At the line, Shana say me I be prophet. Yesterday, 4 days ago, I be 5 days ago, I talk this word. And they tell you every time. But this morning, I demand review everything. Say, oh yeah, where them get. Sultan of Sokoto, I talk about. Oh yeah, where they get, go feed the whole Nigeria for years. Which means your pipeline where I tell you for long, say that they store now crude oil. They say crude oil where they get. Not be small. God, the news dead there. You can't they say, you hear so they don't arrest your guy. You hear some Sultan of Sokoto say, oh yeah, where they get no be small. You too don't hear. Where they store down, you don't hear. Where they the crude oil, where they don't thief for you from your land, say no be small. You hear say your senator don't say they broke. He said Nigeria broke. I ask you, if Nigeria come broke, what it can happen to Niger? What did they come to talk about those Ilerun or all those areas, those little countries where they say they don't even get Somalians then. Somalian government don't ever come and tell you say they broke. But Nigerian government is the first person where come and say they broke. That is to tell you say if was speaking Biafra come out, they go live una say na go cry, na go see tears. Although Jamaica, me I not just talk finish, me I not finish everything. Now go they look for tears, na no go see. When I just they rejoice first, he said una broke, oh. And none of una come and say, okay, God where did this in our country, what I say I get for, where they do the land, God where they not. That much when I say food this country, every resources where food this country, all your way there our land. Wait till I come they use and they do when you say Nigeria broke. Now not fit talk. How Nigeria can't broke? We only Edo State alone, for example, get 12 resources. How Nigeria can't broke? They not be the one who wanna hide for the north and everywhere, all those all your way for how Nigeria can't. Now, no, you don't feel ask, but you come here, can't they say, well, you hear say they don't arrest your leader. You hear say Nigeria so now don't broke. I ask you. You hear say your government said they will continue to the borrow because you are poor. Nigeria is poor. Can you imagine? Nigeria is poor. He said Nigeria is poor. You don't hear? Say he said Nigeria is poor. Because Fulani, that they steal everything, finish, go turn you to poor person. Everything. So by the time Biafra come out, you know they say that they do bad now. Now go face the real poverty. Finally, they'll go pack all the men will be the men for Niger, come pack and pull for own house. You see all those who are all palace, all those areas. Fulani go pack all very soon. So if you never that time come, now go still come they call or say, how I take see this thing? Baba, be my right that all year. It don't happen though. Maybe that time inside Biafra would tell you say thank you. We dey enjoy our life there. Oh bro, no fear. Just remain strong. Biafra is here. Now wait till I fit tell una reach. Don't no fear. As now say, as you be true freedom fighter, remain strong. Biafra don't dey here already. All those one where they just charity game I will call them. What they call boji game and political game. Neither they play, nothing they happen. Biafra don't already come. Whatsoever way we say they won't do for there, now peace talk. How they will allow Biafra go. Now the fact another thing no day. So, but I no worry. Anyhow way Biafra take come, we will take him. But Biafra, it go must come. Now the truth be that anyhow way Biafra take come, every one of us will take him like that. Yes. Anyhow, where Biafra take come. Yes, so my brother, you are right. Promise, easy. Hey, no worry. Now, no, say all those one way they clap. They don't know what they talk. If anything happen to Mazuna Adikanu, everybody for everywhere go worse now. This one way in the class say maybe they say Benin save everywhere. Where go save again? They know that one. Nigeria go and they know be mumu. They be idiots, but they don't be foolish. They not foolish like that. So now something they won't go talk. Even all those idiots where they rejoice, then now they be fool because they don't get brain. Because if they get brain, they'll confess. If something happen to Mazuna Adikanu, even you say for your house, you feel not safe. You not go safe because everywhere that school you not go feel sit down. Everywhere. They know now. Even government house, you can't sit on it. So if you take some small picky where you won't go touch, leader of a great nation on your own. You the joke now something they won't talk there make peace and let everybody go. And not be others one way they feel say just where they rejoice now they be fool. They just won't go talk with the man today. Now new thing the man don't stay there for 2 years before. Right now waiting they call her for is dialogue. Now he go home by himself. Maybe na dialogue they call am for say okay make you collect your place see the way they want to reach how you want am. You just say Mazuna the kind na small pikin wey you want to dey play. Abi you think say you get sense reach Nigeria government or UK wey dey waka everywhere you think say they never talk so oga hey abeg do am well all this one no be fighting team una just dialogue wetin you want una do am make e go. And even though no be every place you give and one hour, you think so you both useless like you. You think so Oyibo useless like you? Where be say the oil where you dey talk say they drill oil for the same Abia, whether Abia and Imo State, all those the lay pipe or line follow there everything. So what you they talk? No worry. Another great Israel will come out for Africa very soon. No worry. So all Biafra remain strong. Make all of now begin to everybody. Don't lose hope. Those way they share message, keep on your good work. They support Biafra. Very soon now soon they see the wonderful result. Because Mazuna they can already tell you now. Very soon I will see the result. When you don't go home, as you don't go home now, very soon I will see the result. They will feel fighting for there. Where? At least nobody will come out and say, your leader they abroad, he there here. The man already tell you, say they come home. So wait, una deaf? Happy una know they listen to the man before. He don't tell you about 4 weeks ago. So he they go Nigeria, they go Africa. Then they go finish everything. We know where you yourself, you don't even know what they play. You know how many people where they reach every time. You can't hear one call because everything about you now, black people. I don't know why they're wicked like this. Now they rejoice about how to kill now people. No wonder that will remain slave forever now. Come to Igbo land now. If you come to white man land, I make white man go they beat you. White man land now where you they come today. If you reach their land, you get job. Even with your own document, they give you life contract. They will come your company. If you enter their head, with they see every day, they go beat you, break your hand, carry you go court. They go win you because who want to represent you now? Igbo now white. Your lawyer now white. Who want to interpret for you now white? Who want judge you now white? They go judge you, persecute you, throw away you for where they want. Now whether they treat you now like that now. And I never wake up to say, what you go do, what go stop this? Not this thing I make me talk last time. Say that can't be a boy where come they talk, say Africa, this one. I don't know what it is. Now most of them are there today. Most of you where they clap this time, you there Europe, you there Europe. You there Europe, they comment rubbish, and now they happy, now they rejoice. How do we want meet to now very soon? What I no worry. How do we want meet to now very soon for the Europe? Not be small. Now go cry now. No make Oyibo see now finish. Now you see anybody they talk to now. Only first leader we they fight for now for the whole world. Now be Umazuna Dikano. Only African leader where they analyze everything. Say if something good like this. Normally, if your Nigeria good, you not go come Europe in the first place. I won't tell you that one. You don't go come Europe. Una way they support evil. You go get your passport. Other Africa or Igbo people will still they come your land. Come they tell you say in they look for Nigeria woman where you won't marry. Make for stay your country. In they look for Nigerian man where you won't marry. Make it for stay your country. Then or the other ones go they look for say that they look for Nigeria. The men go they look for Nigeria women where they won't marry because your country good. You get passport. You where they die for Europe. Your passport with Oyibo normally different no day if you get working country. But your country no they work. You will be Mugu. Una wey be the Mugu where they run come up for Africa always come Europe. If you come here now, you they talk nonsense against people wey be say they want free themselves to make land okay. I ask you, up once you go school reach your degree, you no go get job. Your job no go ever good. For you, if you go to school for a year, for as you go this one, now cleaning job they will give you. The last one where be say boy don't select remain. So what you they talk for? Which life you they live? Not because you both in the world and they no go ever respect black person. Why they won't respect you? Every day can't see the way that they humiliate your people now. Also, I want to ask you, can you go meet any white person, German, for example, where they work for Nigeria, refinery, anyway, Nigeria government or the zoo government give them passport, he can't they work there. They give them paper permit to work. He can't they work for your country. Then I see they work. One night, your Nigerian police go just go meet and carry him, put one call for your head, deport him, or beat him. And this person, we get paper where they work. You know say that they do your people like that. They don't commit any crime, that they work at many. They'll go meet them for their working place. Beat them. Now the same Europe government, this Europe government, I still give the document to. Where they tell they work, they give them permit to work. Where therefore they work, even if not life contract they get. If you enter their head, they'll don't work out on there. Drive reach there, hold the person, break his hand, wound them. They go tell you say they want deport them. They go still carry am. If they don't fit deport them, they will still carry am go court. They go judge the same person. They go win the same person. They go still give a fan. Are you human being like that? You dey here, they talk. All of that, they run, they go for everywhere. People, they fight to liberate your land. You come here to liberate your land. Now, come, they talk rubbish. Now, laugh how they live. Come see what your people they go. And what it make all those things they happen like that? Because you have no home. Not be make everybody dey fight say make we break Nigeria. Normally, if your useless Nigeria country, na working country, if they deport any of you, your leader will just carry you. You go look for any work, any company there. Maybe if na German or na European, go just carry and go say, wait for the work. Now your company be, you go remove that European man. You go carry, you go put for that place. They go still put hand call for that European person in hand. Deport and go back to wait for the con. The people will say, why you bring? Say, what if my person still commit? He get passport, abi? He show you their passport. He tell the work for your land. Why you return her for waiting for the work? So that will say the work where they pay you, say our people they work for your land. We don't use this one and replace her for our land. Then may you give that work where our person be the work for your land, give her to your idiots. And which people go feel make Africa great like that? Only Biafra. Only this Mazuna, they can only this Biafra see say they go fit get that thing because na only language where they understand. Once you both deport your own people, you still carry their own for there where they paint them. Who they deport just as they just carry accept and put them for the company where be say great Oyibo day. Just go put that black person there. Carry that same Oyibo and cover with the uniform deport them. Whether I know will get respect, but who won't try them? Your zoo government where they cry for visa, I be where they borrow where don't know how to build anything. Rubbish. Biafra go must come. I don't get any too much thing I want to. I just give you some few words today. Few words. To just give you courage. Maybe during the week again, I will do online. You understand? So, but if you dare here say you because of say you don't dare Italy or you dare Europe anywhere, you can't dey happy, you can't dey talk about. Tell people the truth. Now you they live. Now life you they live. For the white man country where you get right, you they live where? How many of your children they live where? You they go, which school, what you they do? Not be humiliated, they humiliate you now every day. It's the fact. So and that's what they go tell they humiliate now till the world end because now I put you for the shoe. Put on yourself for the shoe. Now don't want change. Now don't want liberate on yourself. Now don't want build on land. Who want free land? I don't go support them. Now go they cause them. If now Igbo get Mazuna, they can everybody for the present, the whole world. All their people go queue behind them. Everywhere go they echo or till free everybody. But now everyone will rise up to fight for now. Now go see us enemy. Now go kill them. Now be devil. That's why black people they are not tire me. Everybody they talk and they go. Even true black person know say black person no be normal person. They don't know what's wrong with them. And you want free. You won't make Oyibo they respect you. Oyibo will keep on till the world end. Forget it. Only who go feel liberate now one day now be this Biafra if they get her. And Oyibo no. Because person like me go take that action too. If I dare Biafra, you deport any of our person, come house, no worry. As you they bring her, we not just argue, we'll just look for one big company where you go for the work. We'll just still put her cup for your hand. We'll return you to your place. It's as simple as that. If you try at 2 times like that, or you not going to humiliate Africa again. But who won't do among your leader? Those one where they borrow money, where believe so Igbo na heaven and earth. Mad people. Mad people. So now you won't call it. Who won't do am? Only Mazuna, the Kanu, and this Biafra with the corner they go fit do. I tell you, me, I go fit. If I did the authority, if it happens, say I did that Biafra. As you, we know what our people they go through every day now across the whole Europe. Not be one place, more no hide anything. As you they return my person, bam to Biafra land, I just say, they don't return it. What you do? You don't commit crime. No, where you for the work? Now they for call carry abi. Where your Biafra passport is show you good. I just look and say, you see that refinery now you won't go put. They will carry one of their strongest man. Where people say, we say we'll terminate your contract. This boy I want the work. They say what is the apple? Say if you reach home, ask your leader. We'll put a call for your heart too. Just to deport him. It's simple. They'll say, well, we'll say we use and replace our son where you deport. If you not try and 4 times, no white man will ever humiliate Africa again. But you know you have morons everywhere. Because what is that they gain for there? Then they pay them enough. How much money your people they get here? This same British way they fight to make Nigeria one. How much our people they get for their country? How much? But all their people where they your land, where they live, they go. You know how many more how much they pay them a month? So they get reach almost 25,000 to 30,000 euro every month for your country. Some they start money where people say reach $2 million every month. So they come pack resources for free. But that same British go deport person. Deport you, go home. That same German go deport you. That same Austria go deport you. And you be human being. You never wake up now they say, what is they wrong with black people, sef? What is they wrong with black people? So and you go come reach home, you just enter as you constantly look Oyibo. That they work for refinery, that they enjoy your land. Because your leader sold you out, and you there among the people where you sold yourself to because you are joining evil. You are among the people that sold yourself out to because you don't know what you want. If you know what you want, you will support any great person that want to liberate you. For you to be free, you will support any great person that want to liberate you from going through such pain and such humiliation in life. And you come, you know now, what do they talk? Huh? My brother, good. You will be a D. It's good, sir, as you the day against them before, but you don't change. Now, normal. Person go must change. But now you don't understand. Thank God say you don't understand. You don't know what we they talk. Now what we want me everybody know that's you now when you say the Lord you be beneath, but you did against you now. Now so it's supposed to be everybody they reason because they say I want for nobody gets sense finish. But with time you consider the reality. If you see what our people they go through, you gonna say Africa is dead. Africa not be nation. Nigeria not be land. What is with the topic? Because tomorrow may I go the video what our people they go through. One of my guy, the deporter for this gem, he carry load go Italy. May I tell you what happened? This guy that Benin boy, he got 4 children. 4 children. I won't give you short story today. For German, he get 4 children. This boy worked for good 4 years. He happy. He take care of his wife and children. They pay for his house rent. They don't give a document. They give a life contract for a company. The same company I work for the world. They come beat that boy. One deporter, who they will try that country for the whole world? Not be saying an illegal job. Because you are black. You are not, nobody send you. Nobody give a fuck about you. Who not be saying if they do illegal job, real job well signed by government, life contract, everything. Just saying that their own document never get. They still ask and say bring Nigeria passport. He bring Nigeria passport. They see us, they don't see that Nigeria passport. After 2 months, they go still meet her for a company. They beat them. They be want deport the guy. They carry and go court. They still win. They break your hand though. Now they still win the case. So now they break your hand for your company. Now they still win. Now they persecute you. Now they still give a fan. They do have a deport. Not be mad. They go Italy. So are you human being like that? So some person now why will come join? Why will come they support one Nigeria against Biafra? We never see anything. Not be many black they know they commit one single crime. The most black where they don't even deport pass for this Western world now those will be angel where they do good thing. That's where they decent. They live good life. Now then they deport. Because they don't want to make you do good thing. Once they say if they go school, he won't learn, if they do something, they go catch you. They say this one get sense, they go return you back to your country. But once you say you get sense, you don't get sense, you don't condemn, you be drug addict, you dey smoke, you dey drink, they'll say this one you don't condemn, you no go fit think of Africa, how to save money, how to send money, go home, how to build Africa. This one, you don't already condemn. Now if you give them document because you don't get use. Now so they take build on a life. The ones where go make your land read, where don't learn or go school, that they deport them with school bag, always go Africa. You dey here, you dey talk. Are you human being? Come now with the visa, we could see you. What did they go do you with this short period for their land? Your eye go clear. You consider for inside your house, they ask, which life be this one? When Africa go do okay. That's why you say so that Gambia boy yesterday they cry. Say, when Africa go do okay, then they return. I feel the boy pain. Because it they happen daily. One certain time for this journey, they pursue Nigeria. They go about 5 months ago, 1 year ago, everywhere. Those where they work, then they stop, then they go for everywhere. But this is German government, now you go come Nigeria, they collect contract, Julius Berger, now they be all. Then you say, you can you try it to Russia? Can you try that to China citizen? Can you try it to Russia citizen? As you they do, a Russian government go just say, okay, you return our people, Abi. Thank you. How many you don't return? 100 of them, Abi. Don't worry. You go just select 100 of German workers. I will say from today you can't stay this land again. They will say why? I will say if you reach home, ask your government. Now so leader tell they represent you, and who go feed one? Only your Nnamdi Kanu, only this Biafra. Now they hear they talk. Although they know what they talk, what did they pretend for? Go everywhere, go see the way your people are suffering. some jump for story building, some they run, some don't go into madness, say they won't get document, but they forget document. Are you human being? You wake up, you normal, you will just go say you want mad because they will tell you say the only solution where you will take get document. You now go meet them say you dey mad. They will come they give you one tablet, make you dey drink, make you for mad. Abi? Then when they don't say your head don't crack where they will come give you one document, you come see they happy say you get. Meanwhile you no normal again. But for you to build nation where go help you now, where go help you now, na no one do one. For you to build nation, all those women where you see say that they cry all this while, they don't collect my picture, they don't. It's real. Very no just look down. They say that they lie, they get with it. Anybody where they tell you say those people they commit crime, they get with it. They do oga. Now that person where they put, now that person I be idiot. Those people where they come complain, see what they go through is real. They don't commit any crime. Not be land what we dey for 7 to 8 years for all or we don't stay many places for Europe. So what you want to tell us about them? So una way they attack, I never know where una pull, I never know where una put leg. Wanna share this message? I never know where una put leg. You know they say you be human being. That's why they go beat you, they go humiliate you, shoot you. So you know get used now. Because after all, your leader they cry to come their country with visa. Your leader they cry for visa to come to Europe. Your leader children they here. How many of Oyibo children, leader children they your country? How many of these Oyibo leader come they build houses or store their money for your land? How many of these Oyibo leaders come they go hospital for your land? But your leader, all of them are here. Something not tell you say something they wrong. If you can't see good man when stand like that, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is more than Martin Luther King. Why not go stand to liberate yourself for once? Huh? Why not? Thank you, my brother. You are from Idobet. Hey, yeah, it's true. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a great hero. Why not go fight for once to join them to liberate una land? Since now just become humble slave. God just say more just come become slave forever for the last. If you see the way black people they live for abroad, you go shake your say God just truly cause black say now so we want to live. You self go ask yourself say now truly say God cause black say we just want to live our entire life for pain like this because anywhere you go you are black. They go see you say you be black. That sufferness they go use and follow you to show say you be black. Anywhere you go they go won't put that sufferness for your head to show say you be black. They go humiliate you, give you the lowest thing. Well, what did they happen here now? They will show say you be black, even though you be doctor, they will go put you for the lowest place. You go to face humiliation. But because say you don't get option, you go to follow them because you want that money as humble slave where you be. But if you get good nation, those things are not supposed to be happening to you. Now the truth, if you like, now you go walk past. Now you go do everything past, but they still see you as nothing, no matter how much you tried, because you are nobody to them. Because your leaders have turned you to be useless person. Your leader, they've made you to be worthless before the world. Your leader seek for visa every time to come to abroad. Your leader, their children are studying abroad. Your leader have houses in abroad. Their money are here. They all put their money in Europe, which is not supposed to be. So who will have respect for you like that? They will say, look at this. Even if you are trying to claim rights, they will say, look at this idiot, that their leader. If your leader can be coming to our country to treat themselves and buy houses here and have money in their account everywhere, who are you to talk to us? You common shit. Are you the one that will talk to us? That is how they see you. So you can't defend yourself. I can't say, if you know me in my country, we are from great Africa, the giant of Africa, Nigeria. They will say, look at this idiot too. You that your leader normally come to our land to store their money here, and they have houses everywhere here. Their investment are here. Their children are here, and they have every of their life here. You are telling me that if your leader can be doing, who are you to talk to us? Look at this idiot. You have no right. Oh, that same visa where you they cry for. Jeremy, young boy of 15 years, go tell you say they come Nigeria tomorrow. He go come. But that same visa where that you small Igbo boy take come your land. 15 years you can't do holiday. He will still come back. Your only that they cry to get that visa. Not be shame. Why not build your land to make sure say everything there and no come out? Now they'll come the find una. But you useless una self. And those who want liberate una and no one made it happen. Your visa where you they pray for. Or you get boy tomorrow go tell you say they come Nigeria. If they go Africa, 18 years, he go come. He go do it in 2-3 months or 1 week, go enjoy, he go come back. That same visa, now one person for your country go the bell for the dance for inside church. He go take him 2 years, he never come out. You know go see that if you be in human being say, wetin truly they happen to Africa? Wetin they happen to us? Are we normal human being or is it that God, are we cursed people? Or is this how we're going to be living the rest of our life? Many people, because of that, many people do commit suicide. They'll just go because the world not before them. It belongs to the Oyibo. And you will come, person will want liberate you. You will come to stop the person, come the attacker. You know the shame? You know the shame? Well, everybody will not share. You can forget this, Robbie. If he there, he no go talk. Now, let Africa there for the game mad small. All of them, they don't know whether they are great. After your Oba of Binioni of if they enter, they know they talk, they don't get level. So that will not be shameful to why they not build their land, make they okay, make they stay. It not be shameful thing. But Oyibo, one Oyibo will be 18 years, go tell you say they go everywhere. He go tell you say he was in South Africa. He know everywhere, even know my backyard. He go even know Esai, go know Benin, where your artifact they know. He don't they will carry there every time way like. Because of their word. Their leader create word for them. But somebody will want liberate you, you dare against that person. We want to. The only thing where people go make you get respect. I don't already tell you. It's as simple as that. It's called action of the leaders. It's called action of the leaders. And who get that action before? Now, Mazuna, the can I get that action? And Biafra. It's called action of the leaders. If your leader get that action, you will be treated everywhere you go. If Biafra come today, Biafra, all people will come your land say they won't marry Biafra woman to stay Biafra land. They won't look for Biafra man to stay Biafra land. Ask yourself, what is the difference between German passport and your passport normally if your country good? Because you refuse to build your country well so that it go get value. Ask yourself now. What you not the kill yourself? Ask yourself. If the Biafra come today, that same passport, you will say everybody with the troop, they won't marry you to get the passport. Because the leaders of Biafra give them value. The value where they give and say, work full everywhere. There are people know they travel like that. They come put work come full everywhere for them. Their job full everywhere. They get light, they get road, they get hospital. They know they move. They are sitting there, they school for their land. They get one of the best school. School not school. Only what you need now, equipment and everything inside it. And good teacher. So what you want to go Europe, go school for? If all those things they get out for Biafra land, your passport will not get value. Nobody go humiliate you again. They're not going to see you now. Go they scarce. They'll say, all those people more can't go Biafra land. They'll come see job everywhere. Everybody now they want to look for Biafra women to marry them to test it. They're going to look for Biafra men to marry to test your land. Another thing, the passport now is paper. The way your own be. But your leader and I refuse to give them. You don't go ever come beg you say, as Biafra person, can't go Dubai. You say, what you want to go do for Dubai? Just the way they made it. What you want to go do? There's everything there, Biafra land. Everywhere where I want for enjoy full year. I don't need to go. If I want to go, I'll go Africa country. I go South Africa. I go Ghana. I enter house. What am I doing in Europe? That time, you don't get value. But they keep on they ruin your country so that you go up, you will see that place like heaven. That's why all African leader can do everything to please white person so that he go they come Europe. Not be shame. No, it not be big shame. Not be big shame it be. Eh? Not be big shame for every African leader they go do everything to please white so that may for they come Europe and children, may they come they hide money here they live. What a big shame. What kind of big shame be that one? Now very useless thing to do. One of the useless things. Go out now, see what your people. If you know what your people they go through, you would cry. Not be those ones where don't die for sea. Not be those ones we not just want to talk about that. Well, they die for sea every day because they won't come. Not be those ones where be say they don't imprison them and they right. They don't commit any crime. I don't. This one they tell you, I don't lie. I don't see with my eye two mother innocent person. You know, God Almighty, you don't get one thing where you do for life. Very humble, hardworking, innocent people. What if they don't do them? Because who they be? Who won't judge you or tell you now white? The police now white too. Your lawyer now white. If you know they hear that language, who will interpret for you now white? Normally, upon what black people go through for history, They're not supposed even they come out for Africa, they come Europe. But today you are everywhere. They cry, they fool everywhere. What the African go through for life according to history. Now when they always want to mention history or great above of this, great that one, I do of that, this one I do of that. Now we believe in history. If you know the meaning of history, what the black people go through for life. Normally, Europe supposed to be forbidden place for us. None of us supposed to come. Normally. Now just supposed to come the beg or say, oh, so no. What did we go through before we not come on our land? But you know, the consumers come join her with our leader, ruin our land. Now they're placed that they won't die put now. Whether some people will say they prefer to go prison for Europe than to go Africa. Can you imagine? If you go prison for Europe, they will use just to spoil your head. They will pollute your food. If you come out, mostly you can't do normal. I want to make you know that one. So if you be the person where they say you won't go, no go. Ow. See, our people, they don't go through a lot. That is one of the reasons why we say we must break the contraption called Nigeria and get Biafra. May everybody go their way. Let everybody go their way. I thank God say most of them today are done wise. Some of those guys where they comment today say they in a Benin or this one, he don't join Biafra, he don't understand what God go bless you at least. Now don't know say Mazuna don't open her eye where. The man too open her eye. Now the fact. Mazuna they too open people. As me they tell you, your people they suffer. Black is the lowest of the lowest. I don't know as I want to tell you. Everything they beg, everything. Black man can stay refugee camp for 10 years. 10 years, is that one life? 10 years come out for your life. You never finish. What is your future? Some good Oyibo will even meet you for your camp say, you don't date there for 10 years, for example. What do you they do? You go say, what is your life? Do you have future? Some they're not gonna allow you go school, they're not gonna allow you work, they're not allow you do anything. They're gonna leave you there for 10 years to destroy your life. If you can't do, you finish 18 years. For there, you go they claim say they Europe. After 18 years, you know get future, you go Africa. You don't old. You go come enter house. You say, Mama, don't come back. Oh, our son don't come back for jant. Because you don't tire this time around. Because they waste all your life. They don't give a permit to work. They don't allow them go school. They don't allow them do anything. They disturb until they dear. They don't live her dear. They will live until after that 18 years, the life don't finish. Now the person will come say he won't go by himself. They're full everywhere. If you tell me I will show you all where they are. If not this like give me a carry camera, I'll go show you where they did. 18, 19. So they 10 years, 12 years. That day, people don't destroy them, finish their life. They don't allow them walk. They don't all those ones they say they go say, go walk now, go walk. They go talk. Many don't find work, they don't allow them walk food, they don't allow them walk. Because they don't want me to touch their euro. They don't want to allow them walk the work food. They don't going to allow you to touch their work. But they touch your mineral resources everywhere because you are stupid naturally. You are useless. Anybody who won't come rescue you, you go there against me, they kill them. Go across all your people where you see they suffer everywhere they go. You will see them. Now you go the asshole. Now not go work. Now not they work. You give them work. They find work 24 hours and work full everywhere. They don't allow them work because they be black. That job they will give them to Arab. They will give them to Chinese. But as long as you be black, they don't want. You know why? Because once African man carry that job, all African will come here they work. Now go build Africa within 10 years. Africa will turn paradise. Because you go feel help your brother. That's why they seize all job for you, make you no work. You cannot work. They don't want time. You know they hear what? They don't want more to work. So you wait there have they cause your brother, how they cause people online. Your brother and a hero. Your sister and a hero. At least when you try, come here, you can't see where how they take they live. Now I make great people. If you be person where you get sense, you they walk, you manage they live life, you go must wake up, join the struggle of Biafra to liberate others. So that the young generation no go suffer. So that other one no come follow it. So that others no come suffer like you. So that others no come go through waiting. You so that others no come go through what others they go through. You understand? So that they no come go through what others they go through. Now you understand the thing. All of that thing not the way they tell they talk, and so that others no come go through wetin you dey go through. But black person, as the wicked, they will say, hey, no concern me, I will fight to liberate others. The way I suffer reach me, others can't suffer. If you be truly people who love yourself, they know they do it like that. Wetin go make you suffer when you suffer, no allow others go through that same suffer. Try free them. Maybe say things come good for other people time, even if you suffer. That is how to live. If you be true, honest people and good African, now how to live be that. You go make sure say you join struggle to liberate the land so that all that go enjoy, they no go suffer what you suffer. But Africa might prefer me other even can suffer more than him. It make all of us they suffer till today. It's not good. You don't live like that. You don't live like that. Your people, they are suffering everywhere. They don't get job. They don't get job. They don't get job. Go look everywhere. There is job enough. But you see you as black man, you know they don't allow you to do that work. If they still allow you to do that work, then they calculate your money. You fit just work reach that 3 years, they will come hand over, come cash you for where you for the work. They will carry you go home. Some as they deported, they collect their money for their accounts. Some they carry the empty hand as they just they reach out. Maybe the person they store money here, they will go collect the money for your account. You know, take anything. Which people that they humiliate? Like, are you human being? And up till now, nobody they talk, nobody fit do anything because you have no who to fight for you. But if Biafra come, we have that assurance, say we go stand on our ground to change the system. Yes, to change the system. But who won't fight for you, for your Africa or for your zoo country? You know, as you they enter, they'll say, they don't come for Europe. You are welcome. They're just coming back. Our people give them small transport. Make they take. Your leader no go ask, say, wetin happen? Wetin happen? Why they bring una come back? Because una na petty job now they do for Europe, cleaning, gardener, or you work for construction company. But this white people will get here, they be CEO, the whole oil company ransom, they collect money, billions a year. How this kind of thing go they happen? They no go ask. That is to tell you, you have no leader. This is one of the reasons why we need Biafra. You have no leader. They no go ask. As me and you, they talk now, go out. People, they're full everywhere. Your black people everywhere, all the way to Italy, everywhere. Go to Germany, everywhere. You will see some that reach 18 years, that they want place. You will see some that they 10 years, that they want place. That they suffer. Those who manage get the opportunity, get job, they are few. Very few. And they still face their own trouble. You can't talk. You can't. When people they talk now, say because good people don't already know. Say you cannot continue like this. You need home. You need to build home where everybody go. Where be say you go live. Because normally nothing they life. As they tell you every day. If you get light, you get water, you get road, you get school, you get your system. They work law day in place, security day. What do you want to do for Europe? What do you want to do? What is the Europe more than that one? You know they now only road, school, job, water, electricity, hospital, and see everything they okay normally. So if you can't get this thing for your country, what do you want to do for Europe? What is that they do there? Now they go, they even they beg you, say we won't go see that great continent, or we they go Biafra, or we won't go Nigeria, more see as it be. That then I know it, but because they won't go wait for the happen, they won't go. Make them see what they happen there. Now mumu, every time I come, Mazina they can Biafra, and all those one now where they whether civilian now beg they beg for Italy, for example, Shoro. As white bears, another thing I'm telling you is called Shoro. People where they beg, they go carry one thing, they sell socks or cloth like this. They sell like Alimajiri, the one you get for Nigeria. Not being they do. Not them that they hawk sauce, carry newspaper, they sell for road, that they come as a big ratio with white bears. Imagine you know too senior. For it to join go struggle, say, now life how they live. Because now slave, he not a slave. Now he don't accept that slave. Up till now, when the civilians you be say, if they carry bag, they beg for street. It's called begging. It's called shoro. I was once in Italy for many years. So they know they do anything there. Nobody say phone they there. Those who still marry get job there, go reach 5% or 2%. The other one job where they do is news, job. No work. But if the work food, they don't allow you to do as black person. They don't go give you. You know why? They don't want to make the money day your hand. I want to tell you now. They don't want more to see the money. Because all African immigrants will come you, if all of them they work, within 10 years, Africa will become paradise. Now I never understand the matter. Now go become Africa will become paradise. Because the work where you dey work, you feel help your brother for home, build, invest, everywhere go find all African. For that reason, they seize the opportunity more than no work, nothing, they don't allow na work, so that money now no go carry and go home. So that go remain poor for here. But these same people wey no fit help Africa immigrants wey dey Africa, wey dey Europe. Now they go Africa continent, go come dey tell Africa say, we are here to help you people. You no fit help, let's say 5 million or 10 million blacks wey dey Europe. But you won't come help 1 billion people for Africa. You know, see, it don't tell whether they take Africa for a ride, they come. You know, see, don't tell whether they fool Africans, they come. But only people go feel liberate to and I be Biafra, Mazuna, they come on and live good life. I don't talk my own. What they tell you, so I don't fear, I don't hate any black person. If I still go Nigeria today, what they tell you today? Now, so I will tell all the holy now, that's why I will still there to speak today. I will tell them all. I'll say, but now, believe in vanity, more than eating. You see, as me be, I prefer that my little house where I get, I would farm for the back, enjoy, I'm okay. Even if not one night I dey drive, I'm okay. Because I don't see life, I don't tire, I don't see what my people don't go through. This thing alone, they my head every time. What black people they go through alone is in my head. So I'm okay. I don't live that large life. As I drive this small car, so each time I did this car, they play my music. The reason what my people still they go through up to today. And those who supposed to liberate them, they don't want to liberate them. And those who want to liberate you, people they against them, may they not liberate you. And who they against them? The same black now. Every black man way they don't kill. Now African black, all those young children now they still join hand, join Oyibo take kill every hero where them don't produce by themselves. Meanwhile, every hero where Oyibo produce, they save them. But every hero will come out from Africa, African youth will agree that they join hand, join Oyibo to kill them for themselves. That's why African people, you guys, sorry to say, most of them now be naturally cursed people. Because now greedy, I don't know whether na satanic mind now get. When I tell love evil, I can't get it up to today. It's time I sleep now. Wait till the reason. I can't get it. I can't get it now. Wait till the reason every blessed day. African person that get that satanic mind and evil mind when I want to destroy our life. Now don't forget. So once Oyibo they praise one black person, they don't finish you. So as Oyibo feel they tell you say Fulani good, maybe say una own don't end be that. They don't finally destroy it. Even as so it still be for Europe. Any white person, any person will be say so Oyibo they praise now. You know say then they use that black person they destroy others. So that's why even if they hate Biafra for all we care, we don't say we are the real people. As they say people that they love Fulani today, we know say that Fulani that they use they destroy West Africa. So now Sabi, at the end of the day, Africa dead there. If it's good for all of us. If it's poor for all of us now. I be not be the same thing. Every day we dey here to watch you now. If they beat you now for road, now cry you go cry this, you go enter house, nobody will fight for you. Because somebody was supposed to fight for you, now the day against them, I say may they no liberate their land. Yes, they go beat you. If you they cry for you see anybody don't ever talk, as I don't show video, they say that they beat us on a white man just tear me now, they don't pardon me, they go Italy every time before now they burn our women alive. Oyibo go burn your women alive, nothing they happen. Your ambassador never ask one because now black, now dirty person. They go put fire every time. That time where they burn on our women. Gospel they burn women always, black women. They will put fire for their body. Oyibo. They burn black people always. They should shoot them always for street. Courage today. Nobody they ask. These are innocent people. You know what? Because I don't know what you need for life. Now be like cause people naturally. Sorry to say, but I don't feel hide the truth. I don't get on that word to take qualifier. Not be all of you, but most of you. Now so it be. I don't feel talking because those who sell on our art, as this who ever imagine, I say this young generation are people they fight to liberate Biafra land so that competition go there within Africa, but among them, bad people, young youth still the way they clap hand for them. And you can't confirm when this black youth where they come, and not many. This black youth now where they clap hand for them. Many of them are salo camp that day. Oyibo never give them document. They still they run from one place to another. They beg when they want to get document. Go reach Italy and all. They still they cry, all come reach today. Those kind of people, they be human being. Are they human being? Which Oyibo go see all those kind of things where you go do that kind of thing? Are they human being? Because the only thing where you go do where you go to stop that thing. Now by the only thing where you go do where you go to stop that thing now Now when the Nigeria break, they can't break. Everybody they live their life. Biafra get their own nation. For example, they live good. You go. I just give you few example. All those leaders, what did they do you? They not know if you do it to Russia citizen. They not if you do it to China citizen. They not if you do it to they not if you do it to. They not if you do it to any citizen for this world. What did they do you? They not if you do it to any citizen. But they go do it to you because I no get level. Because when they be action leaders, when they do your people, you do them back. The dialogue will come on the table. They'll say, we're not going to humiliate. If the way that they deport every Africa still they replace their people back, I swear by now, una land for don't do okay. Nobody going to talk with you again. But who won't come do the thing? Only IPOB go feed one. Now only Mazuna Adikan go feed one. Nobody go feed one, nothing else. Now only this Biafra go feel liberate one. I dey tell you because we dey watch TV, we dey watch news. The way other country take get respect. Why you see say even at an Arab, Oyibo can respect Arab more than black million times. If Arab person work for Germany for 6 months, they will give a document. If black man work for here for 5 months, for 7 years, they never give a document because they don't send you. How you self will be black man if you get the opportunity to work for that 10 years, 7 years self, you go to pray to God because along the line they will come disturb you, remove you for your work there. You where they say Mumuma, who be this one friend Andrew, where they say Mumuma, at least you dey Mumuma place now can't they listen to what Mumuma they talk. So me and you now who can't be Mumu, I don't want the attack, I don't want to talk to Nage, but I only pity person like you where you say your name now Andrew where they call person Mumuma. I dey tell you now, if you get sister for abroad, you get brother. Now what that they go through, they tell you, no let anybody deceive you. So before you call me Mumuma, no say what your people they go through, no be small. And the thing no go ever stop for now until na get good leader, until na get waiting and they call dignity. You call up to today, they don't no get dignity, and I know if you get them. You understand? Now no go fit get dignity. That they burn our people life, that they destroy them everywhere. So you know go fit get dignity. If you like, talk what you like there. That one are your own. Understand? But I pity those where you self still they talk to, or those where go ever believe somebody like you. Biafra go must come out, do the one go must come, do the one. Thank you, my brother. We were there free. Now what we need be that. Yes. This one say, who be this one? They say breaking news. Yes, breaking news. What did they happen? So keep on fighting to liberate yourself. Another thing, no day. You don't get the way you want to talk and reach. I don't already tell you what you need to do. What I need to do will be say you will get respect. But apart from that one, black person can never get respect for this world till the world end. Me and you know they go stab you now. I tell you, don't let anybody deceive you. Waiting me don't see you never get crime. Let me tell you. I even dey pray say if I come anytime I reach Biafra land, I won't get maybe little cloth where this I will get. I will try open and I go get them. This day where I want right put where go shock the world. Now my wares where people would they use. I would sell at cheap rate my own wares. But 20 day where I will write for that cloth where go shock the world. I keep it to myself. You understand? It will shock the world. Now my own wares I will do it. People would they wear them, would they buy for cheap rate. You they talk you when say your name now Andrew, they come here come the right nonsense. Now life you they live now. And your people you don't know what they tell your people know they live good life. Not let anybody deceive you. Your sister even if na UK they poo anywhere where they now not pain. Because not be this word now Igbo get it, it's called white word, not be your word. Now them get them. You understand? Now that they live everywhere. And now they want to tell you what you want to do. You go do something. You don't do anything bad or no crime. I say I don't see you. I be me I repeat what I tell you. I don't see person where you don't work. They go carry you, go court. They break the person hand. They carry and go court. They win them. They persecute them. They win and finish. They fan them. The person pay fine. They break his hand. They seize the job. Everything. You don't commit crime. Just be said they won't carry the person go home. He fool. I give you an example now, my friend. I tell you. Now he dey Italy. Good Biniga where I know work for good, it work good for good 4 years. So that which kind of humiliation do I can fear let any Nigeria police go meet any German citizen for Nigeria where they work for company or any Italian citizen where they work for company and if now registered work not be it's not it they pay tax big tax like 800-900 euro every month. For example, 900-800 euro every month. Can fear let any Nigerian government go meet police, go meet the Oyibo, go meet the Dutch person, break his hand, say he won't try deport him for his work and he get lawyer, he get everything. If it happen, it can only happen to black because you're African. It can only happen to black. Because we are African. So the same person away they try to say this system no good. It don't stay for abroad Mazunalika. It don't see all. We need genuine system. Where you go fit stop this kind of thing. First of all, this man come for restructure. He talk all that say no. Okay, give our country, more we get our land, more we enjoy. Now some Mugu come here, come they clap out. I bet you all those Mugu where they clap, where you say that they rejoice for good thing where God already do because a good thing I call her. Biafra will come very soon. Mark will tell you. Those one where you say that they rejoice everywhere now. Those Mugu where they rejoice everywhere. Ask them where they asylum camp. The other one where you say name na Oguna me I still talk that one. Where they wear Buluku stay inside bush. Can you imagine? That one not be craziness. If they come here, come they claim say that ye le binu boy. If come here, come they claim say na you no pass. For example, now you no pass. You come forest. You come forest, come they form a native doctor for inside Jamie for inside Jamak garden. For garden where they play, you can't form native doctor. You say you be wise African man. What do they do for Jama garden where children they play? Who they practice native doctor for whether they do garden? For garden, what do they do for there? They are not garden where children they play. Always you go wrong, go that bush. You say you be native doctor. You wear buluku. You can't wear skirt for inside Europe. Wear snow and everything there. You can't wear a skirt there. They form native doctor. Say now you can't know ancestor pass. I ask you now if you know they are shame. If you not get shame for whether you know get shame, I don't know. If you be true African, I want to ask you, would there bush for here? There is no black bush here. There is no what they call akobisi. No there here. Black wood. They don't get alligator pepper for their forest here. They don't get anything. Banana no day. What you want to do your juju man? Nothing there here. What you call the practice of? Okay. Now pussycat you want to do your sacrifice. What is there here? No thought is nothing where you want to see. But every time you just go inside that garden, they form people they look you. Native doctor they Africa. What is native doctor they do for Europe? Who they come from native doctor for Europe again? People go constantly look you, they look your real buluku constantly inside forest. You they dance. You they dance everywhere. You they can't lie. You they say, you they talk about this one, they talk about that one, they talk rubbish with your mouth. You wear buluku. I ask you, you get what they call akobisi, which is black wood tree. You know they Europe. Abi? Okay, tortoise, you know they. Alligator pepper, you know go see am for here. What is a snake, you know even they. Python, you know they. Nothing where you won't see for their bush past antelope for only jama. Nothing. No grass cutter. Nothing where you want to do your juju. Okay, no one see nothing. No be here. Nothing there. Okay, you dey measure. What you take him where you dey measure every day. Him no day here. So what you can't do for all those places where we say this kind of thing no day. But I hear you for the former. If fine, Abi. I don't even know say native doctor life fine place garden. Why you don't tell your fellow native doctor and your make them build Africa like that? See, I don't know say African native doctor go still like good thing. So you love garden, well fine. Why you not go build Africa, make fine like that, make you dey stay the garden too? Why you not go build your so-called Benin Empire? Make you go stay there, at least make you get beautiful garden they stay. May you dey not see your beautiful garden where you dey stay now for the doing. Even that beautiful garden, you find past the whole ring road, find past all Benin put together. But see, you like Amabi, as you say you be native doctor. You know if you put that country for your land. You come here, come they form one thing, they attack those where they fight for freedom. As you be now, you where you still marry, you still be slave to her. Now the truth, we know the truth now. Abi we don't know. Sometimes you feel up and wash plates, you go cook. Which native doctor will come they cook for your wife always? You go do everything. So what do you they form for? I think so you say you be true African man. Huh? You then they call the form native daughter. Which kind of thing be this one again? Then are you not come and say make Obaseki carry me? I still talk this one before I come up because I don't try this evening. Now you not come to Mark. I think say you say I want to talk Martin. You said before say now you talk Amouna with Oguname Aigbe Wunda Civilian. Before show you say Agbo na Bini. You say Agbo na Bini now. That's how you tell the talking. But many people go watch your video now. You saw Obaseki na Agbo if you come no be Bini. I said now make Agbo fair learn for there that word or be fair learn. Now they call na before say Agbo na Bini. But now after tell na that they say this is Bini when they want do bad they go they find people where they want to win war. But when they don't do that bad feeling they will come no say you know be one of them. Now Agbo where you they call this way Igbanke Agbo Kuala made they come help you form United Benin Kingdom where you no go ever get hurt till this world end. That same people now there you saw Obaseki for come say Obaseki no be Bini. You don't know now. You say na Agbo for come say na Ehon, which means na stranger I be. Na Ehon I be. So na Agbo. It no be Bini for come. So Obaseki na Agbo. That's why I been me talking. The video they there now. So Agbo people they offend left for that one. Those where you they brainwash. Where Agbo they brainwash for long say Agbo na. May they go here for your mouth. Say Agbo na Bini. May they go listen to you where be native daughter what you talk. You saw Obaseki call from Agbo. Now stranger na I be Agbo no be Bini. Say Obaseki is not true Bini person. No be the indigenous person Agbo man he be. Now so you talk now. Now so you talk. You say Obaseki no be true aborigine. Say na Agbo if for come. Is it crime where he commit? Agbo if for come no be Bini. But meanwhile, where war won't come that day, now you fed all this one, now you they cry said Agbo na Bini. Sure people go know say now be very honest and truthful person. Agbo na Bini. But not now. As it don't come to Obaseki and artifact now, you don't say Obaseki and no be aborigine. No be Bini person. Now Agbo be. Now Agbo for come. Now in the video that be you won't go delete her. More than go watch and the video is there. Abi? So now tell me who they deceive you. Who they deceive you? Yesterday, I think yesterday I thank God Wasofia. I think now Wasofia. We play on a video. No be Wasofia. Now one of our brother Metusala we play on a video. We on for the voice saying I won't go kill Ijo people. That video now 4 years ago now doing. One of the try to say I won't go kill Ijo. Say they won't I won't go collect their land. Today now uncle. Not be the same the Ijo you they come from one country with you. Now you they call now may come from one country. But the video is that your people hold on with they no delete them. Now 4 years ago now made that video. That they try to say then I won't go kill them for Ologbo or now I won't do it John. I will through with this one I will do. But meanwhile the same John I said that be Benin. See, our people must learn how to live together. Me, I know they bring segregation, but I just want everybody to be wise for once. All of us for that area. Now Biafra. But however it can't take come, we need Biafra. We need them. We don't care. However it take come, we need Biafra. Simple as that. Now what I want to try to tell you. But I just want to let you know, say lie where you they lie. It's no good. Now what I they talk all this. Lie where you they lie. This one where you say person no get sense. Who be this one? What even they talk? This one too now. This one to all of them are fake accounts. This one to Abina. This one say whether Abina me no guess. Okay, maybe another page they talk to. So now so it be. Agbo people don't learn for there now. Una we be John, I don't learn for there. So now we be true aborigine. Now they listen to Wasofia, and these are the true aborigine. We be true aborigine. We know what they happen, what they play for our land. And nobody. Now I want to Obaseki one thing. You see that artifact where they say they won't say so, where they say that they argue for where they bring Obaseki. Remain for there. Do what you feel. Do you see that thing? Where they say that artifact so. May I tell you, our forefather and I carve them. That artifact don't belong to anybody. It belongs to all of us. That artifact belongs to our forefather. My forefather work for his side. All of them. So if the artifact you don't get what you want to do, if not sell, you won't sell. I beg, Oga. Sell them. As you they sell them, no carry the money go give anybody. Carry the money come. You know what you will do? Share them for every Idu community. If now two borehole they take deep for community, make they use it, they drink water. At least they will not say what is their forefather carve the artifact. they use a dig borehole for them, make they use and drink water. No give anybody. Share them for every community where made up in do land. Oh, Gorish Esako, Afemao, Esan. I mean every community, not be just one community. You go to put them for everywhere like Ogwa, like that, for across all you do land. Now I mean. Gorish Agbo, everywhere. Go put them, go share them for them because our forefather I carved that artifact. People still give them that artifact that time. Many they feel say that Oyibo thief am. You go back so Oyibo no thief anything. These same people where they sell us to British, now they used to give that artifact to Oyibo for mirror and shoe, and because they like greedy, so use and exchange champagne and dry gin. They use and exchange dry gin. You understand? Many of them use them. They use and exchange dry gin. Now they use them because they love dry gin. Many of them use and exchange mirror. Oyibo don't come collect all free because they tell us Oyibo come collect all free. I think Oyibo still they come collect our oil free for now. I be not be the same people because those will be said they are forefathers. Now I don't even know what they try talk. Listen, those will be said they are forefathers. Now they still there today. Now I be during slavery time. Now they still they allow Oyibo come they carry oil free. Now then Oyibo they beg now to put off for slavery, which means that artifact, if you check them very well, now agreed, now made them take give Oyibo for free before. For mirror, they give some for mirror, they will collect mirror, give them artifact. Some of them too, they use and change dry gin. We know now, they give the dry gin, once they don't have finish, they'll say carry artifact, go. Just the way that they sell our brother. Just the way they sell our brother into slavery. They give the dry gin, they will give person, say carry this one, go give me through dry gin. I use an exchange person. If they happen to them, now you where they put red face, are they lie? Your oil now went through your land. Your leaders are be your king, they know they allow them call pack. I be your Igbo constant force collect them. I be your oil alive now. If not alive now, who are Igbo constant they beg now to put us for slavery? Not be them. Why they not pursue them if they truly defeat Potoki? And then they talk. If they put right thing, now you know they are educated because if you dare do, you will sit down. Not be every story where person tell you will believe. You constant reason, you don't get brain. The reason where God create you now make you feel reason. You get brain, give you brain. Reason. Not be everything people will they lie for you. This same leader, the way that they do us today, I bet you now so that they say our forefather. All those kings they say our forefather. They are greedy people. People will allow us to suffer like this. How you can't tell us that time when people never civilize, they don't sell our forefather. They sell them. They sell them for free, for champagne, for dry gin. For some of them, they sell them for shoe. They use the exchange mirror. Now the fact, we know the truth. If you remember when Yoruba boy will come out, won't talk history one day, wait till tell you say white people, they are merchandise. They be business people. Now all those are your leaders where be say your king where they come, always they complain, say Oyibo conquer. He said not lie. He said your leader now they sell una to them. They buy, Oyibo buy from them. The same thing where they happen to your leader, everything that they sell them now, pack and go. Even we that they sell our people, not who they sell your organs today, not be your leader. I be now Igbo can just come they pack the organ for your area. Who they have that they kill people, they carry, pack organs, sell for them. Not be your people. I be now Igbo can still do one. This one where they ask me where are you from? My brother, I'm from Esan. Confirm one. I don't know, you are Tony Jude, what you use on me. I'm from Esan. Confirm Esan son from Idu. Confirm one. Biafra, believe in Biafra million times. So if you too, you love what they do, join the movie train to liberate your people. Your people must be free. We are going through a lot. So don't ask me the qualification of my what if you ask me and I say what is my qualification? Not be so okay, what is your academic qualification? It doesn't matter, my brother. You don't need to know. Why do you want to know? You don't need education to liberate yourself. Does China speak English? Are they not fighting for their people? Does German speak English? Are they not fighting for their people? Does Italian speak English? Are they not fighting for their people? So it doesn't matter. Education have nothing to do with wiseness or being intelligent. That is one thing you must know. Wisdom is from God. So we are African. So even if you speak Esan, you speak Benin, that does not mean that you must not know your rights or you must not know what is good and what is bad. Right from time, we know what is good and what is bad. I want to ask you one thing. You that is asking the qualification of my education. I want to ask you this, my brother. I know maybe you might not mean wrong or you might not be against me. I don't know what you mean. But however, I want to ask you, way back, our forefather, our mother, Do they study in any university? Eh? But they were the best nurse. Did you know that? They deliver our brothers from home without going to school, without studying the university. How were they able to do that? This is what you must ask yourself. They never went to Abrusali University. They never went to University of Benin or Unilag to study how to become a nurse or how to become auxiliary nurse or how to become doctor. But they were treating their people fine. That is to tell you, we are intelligent people. That is to tell you, God is great. We have been living before the white man. That is why you see our people say, Ebe bomasere amaru ebogede. When white man never come, we know the tie plantain leaf. We the tie igbu, that igbu esan, that esan igbu where you see today. Now wood they take the doing, you know. Now wood, that wood they bush that they go hit and come enter the doing. It will come turn cloth when we they wear. So which means we don't get cloth before Igbo come. We don't get cloth. Now be our culture. Igbo esan. Now we they wear up to today. We use the do our traditional with this still Budian. Now we they do one. Up to today, and that Igbo, and that Igbo, Esan Igbo, now all you do suppose where they do their wedding. But you know. So what will they argue for? So you don't need education to free yourself to know what is good and what is bad. So if you need education for everything, then our forefathers, they forgot the meat snake, they should count for their mouth now. Make snake bite them because they are not educated. But that know is the dangerous thing. So they've been living, they've been operating fine, they've been doing good things. This active father they are saying today, it was carved by our forefather. By them. It was all these things were done by them. They never went to university to study art to say. They never went to school to study that. But they were able to cover all this whole thing, right? So you don't need to speak English or you don't need to become professor before you will liberate your people. It's only Africa. Even the professor we have in Nigeria today, what are they doing? They are the one ringing election. What have they contributed to the development of the zoo? They have not contributed anything to it. Have they contributed anything to the development of the zoo? No. So why are they professor? Nothing. What about the engineer? Those that study, those civil engineer and all that, they are not building road. They are not doing anything because your leader just made them to be so. So you don't need education to liberate your people. That is the fact. As long as you are wise, you know what is good and what is bad. You will be able to. As long as you are able to differentiate what is bad and what is good, you are good to go to liberate your people. Because at least you know bad thing, you know good thing, you know what thing we they go through right now and bad thing. Our people are going through hell. Eh? So Obaseki say artifact. If you say artifact finish, share the money for everywhere. Don't give anybody that money. Share am for all the whole you do. Share am, just put am, use am, buy. Build this thing for everywhere. If not borehole, use am, put borehole for everywhere. Use am everywhere. Use am everywhere. You are right, my sister. You know, most of the time, English is not our mother tongue, which is you are 100% right. Here in Germany, for example, if you telling them that you don't know how to speak German, if they speak English, they will tell you, here is not English country. We speak German. So if you want to do anything with us, you must learn how to speak German language. So let's assume today that if the white person want to come to your land, you will tell them we don't speak English. You have to speak Esan language. You have to speak Igbo language, or you have to speak Yoruba language to do this business. They wouldn't have turned you to a slave like the way you are today. They wouldn't have destroyed your land this much. But you know, with English and French, they understand everything. So what do you expect? They understand your language. You don't have secret. Everything you do, they know it. So let's assume that you are speaking Yoruba language today to run your political system, or Igbo language to run your political system, or Esan language to run our political system, for example. They wouldn't have destroyed our land this much. They wouldn't have, be taking us for granted. Our life would have been more better than this, because in everything, they will have to come to your land to study, to understand your language before they will do anything with you. It's the fact. If you come to that land today, you have to study their language before they will give you a job. You need to go study how to speak German or Italy, or how to speak French, how to do before they will offer you a job. Can you imagine? But when they come to your country today, they get everything for free. Then everything for your land are free for them. But when you come their land, now stress, they don't give you time. And you now, same you go come out, come they say, why Biafra? Why they call for Biafra self? Because you no get sense. You no get sense. It's the truth, too. Now sense you no get, because if you get sense, you for change. So, I want to fit up with that. Obaseki, no worry. We like you. Now, before now, that they say they vote for you. Now, they don't know say you no be Bini again. Whether you be Bini, you no be Bini, that will not be our business. Just rule, do better thing and come out for there. That's what we tell you. Now, they don't know say you no be Bini because you don't come to artifact. Can you imagine this in this modern world, somebody they cry for artifact? If that boy no be idiot, now artifact, now they want to develop it. What it gonna be artifact again? Artifact now, okay. If now maybe Obaseki, if I want just do what, I'll just pack the artifact. You know what I'll do? If they just bring a car, I'll just carry some go esan, put for Ogi of Uromi Palace, or put for Ogi of Odua Palace, I'll carry go Irua, I'll go put for their palace, I will carry go a banker, I will share all for all King Palace, give them one, go still put one for Oba Palace, make everything end. Finish. Yeah, so make it collect and share and like, no pack and go put for one place, so because our forefather get that thing our forefather work put to. All you do, our father for us, all of them, they work for that thing. So if you bring a don't pack and go put for Oba Palace, so share them for all. You go carry some gotta go Ono give of Uromi Palace, go put some there. Ubiaja. Share them, ever to share and go or carry go afema, share go reach Agbo, reach Igbanke. Then you put one for Oba Palace. Everything end like that. Make that man where they wear buluku, may forget peace, may enter house. Obaseki wrong way to tell you nothing go happen. Don't share am for the hope. No carry go put for Bini alone. Share am for every palace. Where they were made up in do land. Then stop. Everything end. Then you go enter house with shame. Mad person. Then they talk about it, the way you they fight for artifact now. If not so you they fight for how to make a land great. Everyone for them. Now so they ask whether this people they because people. Artifact, okay. If na so you dey fight now, say Fulani won't kill our people, they won't kill our people, finish. Our place for don't do okay. Yeah, no, you don't be that why you dey talk. You got the shot now, Fulani won't kill our people. When if they know Obaseki, if you don't feel stuff, Fulani we won't kill our people, we go through with you, we go dey clap for you. But you dey talk about artifact, Opodu. Carving wood, what be say with the carve for us every time. Come meet me, I know how to carve them. I wait till I be. We are there young, and they carve. I know good way they take the carver. And they carve masquerade. Many one get them for us way back. We are there, son. It get wood where they take the carve them, very soft wood to carve artifact. Well, if not that one will carve many give you. Why you they cry? And they expect you now the way you they cry. Now make me say whether they just curse you now with juju or be another thing the way they worry you now. You know, the way you they shout now, believe Obaseki, I believe say you come out like Obaseki, Fulani don't destroy Edolando. Why do you want to do those? We go they clap for you. But you they talk about Opodu. One good way they go put fire, it go bomb. So you value past people where they die all this one. You know, say so I no get sense. Most of this ilay be no miss blood, I no get sense. So artifact now you come to the shout. No be Fulani ask me where they destroy our land. No be that why you they talk. No be killing where they happen, no be kidnapping. Artifact, Opodu, masquerade, where they carve, where with the children for Esante they play, they carve them for everywhere. Waiting with they carve every day. Waiting me tell they play where are they home? I don't they 10 years and they carve Opodu, beautiful one. Now you they shot now. Now what for you? Anyway, anyhow Obaseki won't do a run now you be the governor. After all now, thank God now they don't tell you say you know be Bini, you know be Bini. You know, they don't know where you for come. They say na Agbo you be. Meanwhile, this same person, if I say Agbo na Bini, now I say Agbo no be Bini again. Say you be Obiegon. I tell you now, there's a big use that word Obiegon. There's a big use Egon. So now, what you want to do, Obaseki, enter house, do the best way you feel do, support Biafra. Both now make sure say Biafra come. Now what you want to be that one? I say, oh hey Biafra, I thank you for this evening. May God bless you and remain strong. Our leader. He go soon come and speak with you very soon. No worry. Now one a normal thing. So Biafra don't already dey here. So all hey Mazuna, the can all hey Biafra. The man is an hero. So I don't tell you now. What thing I teach you now today? If you no go sit down for your house, go dey think. I know say you no go wise again. Today you see as I still talk about Europe. That is to tell you say we no throw away our sense. Everything they enter, we too get sense. That one, wisdom no will kill us. Now the truth. That's why say we dey fight for Biafra 24 hours. We know what to make us they fight for it. What our people they go through. So if you be true man, you go to fight for the same thing. What they fight for today. Until you get where they call home, you never ready. When they tell you say, na so king be, na so that one be. King go sell our forefather for kind. They exchange them with London gin. London gin. That dry gin, now they exchange some of our forefather. Now the same way when they say they give them artifact, they collect mirror. So now you can't tell us say they still artifact. Who they sell our land now, our oil, who they give them? I mean, our Igbo country carry for free. Not be the same king and the same politician. That Africa, they're useless. The leaders, they are useless naturally. So you won't call it. They don't know value of anything. Oh, Igbo, you don't feel enter their bush. You don't know that one. Oh, Igbo, you don't go feel enter their bush. Ask anybody. Their bush, oh, you don't go feel enter. Not to talk say that thing you won't go the drill. Their water, you don't go waste on anyhow. But Africa, everybody, they bush, they find your gold, they find oil. But you see this, they don't go let them touch them. They will let to Igbo, they pack oil, they touch everything, they go. But the citizens, they don't go let them touch them. As me and you, they talk now, China where they beat black every day. The day Zamfara, the day everywhere, they check everywhere for all zoo country, they pack una gold. The day Yoruba land, the day San, the day everywhere, they pick everything. But the EDG, they know they let them touch anything. Tomorrow, they will say, now, China can't just come collect everything. Who allowed them come collect them? I don't know how long all those leaders will deceive you now. Who allowed them come collect them? They don't use our forefather, give them gene, they give them artifact, they carry our forefather, give them, they collect mirror. Same people now, they die. Now, the thing clear now. Not be waiting that they do, they go be this. You know, see them for there, they visit them every time. May they take put us for bondage. Now here come now when I will see truth now what they cover. What truth now they cover? We believe that on our own. Me I believe that. You see what they tell you? Say, if I dey Africa today, no Igbo man will come tell me nonsense because now people where I know. You know they are passing. They come. I say, hey, that your smile when you the smile come. Keep am. If you won't come here for D, just do am. Business openly. No come tell me say this one. And if you return my people, they return your people. They will they respect you. But this one you go smile and you don't want visa. Well, if you be true leader, what you want go do for Europe? Normally, what you they do there? Just imagine I say Biafra I can't dey Biafra tomorrow. I'll tell you say they come Europe. Why will be Europe? What I want to do? Africa never reach me to work and enter house. What I want to do? If I dey there tomorrow, say I don't dey Biafra land tomorrow, they'll come they call me say can't go Europe. What I want go do for Europe? Where be say everything there Africa. As I come out from a Biafra land, I was true, I will go other Africa country, I do to enter. Everything that you buy, enter. But I will be Europe. What do you want to go do? Now that's spoiled and I made the seal now finish now. As you but fellas, you see, Chris, no be all those agbo and all those herbal, no be take treating itself. I ask you, people when they think about education, where our father before when they sick, what did they treat them? Herbal for bush. They get the one for appendix. They get all. We know many too for forest. Not be that they treat themselves, they die. Before Igbo come, they give you tablets. Oriwo, where all of now they throw away to the Oriwo, now they tell they do capsule. Many of them don't know. Oriwo. Go confirm and now they tell they do capsule. Then they add John do capsule. Many other things like that. Where full your land. But now because na black one and no value the thing, anything what Igbo do, now I believe. So if I believe that say I dey Africa tomorrow, I no go do bad because bad way now they do. Now make una dey sick always come Europe now. Now they chop human being too. Now they drink human being blood. All those things full na belly. Now one come they treat them for Europe. It's not good. So truly that way me work for people where they conscious of himself. What you want make an evil sick? What you where you want go do? You not go drink beer anyhow. You not go eat anyhow. Una go eat meat oh. Now won't kill una self. Now won't fuck every woman because na greed. The one your neighbor own, you want to collect and join your woman fuck. Your own no issue. Your woman, you get wife, your neighbor own, you they look for her. Because it's fine. Because you don't get money, you don't be leader. The other one, oh, it there your eye, you won't collect her. Everything I won't get her. Now make una the sick now. But leader where they conscious of himself, where they do good thing. What it concern, he live his life simple. Let everybody live, enjoy. I won't come sick. How many times Igbo leader you hear say that they sick? Why be say now alone are they sick? Because I be evil and now not supposed to sick. How many times you hear say white leader they sick? Why be so only African leader now they sick always? Now they sick now one because na be evil people. Now one of go Europe, heart attack the whole una. But when I tell they do bad, or if on a heart attack no go hold am because nobody won't call and come office tomorrow come and explain how Billion Tail lost. He construct road, he construct a re. So he no get heart attack. He use the money, the fight they there. So heart attack no go ever hold. He no get person where he key. Money no they miss. Heart attack no go hold. Now alone na heart attack they hold because now won't go answer query na be thief. Now alone na they get liver problem. One I want to chop the whole cow wey belongs to everybody. I want eat time. Gluten, wetin others go eat. Now I want chop everything. Why not go they sick? I ask you how many times you dey hear so Igbo leader they sick? Wetin wan make them sick? They're not they sick. They go even reach 90 years, 100 years. Wetin wan make them sick? But now every 2 months now they fall sick because when human blood go now don't kill. In the night ghosts they disturb now. We know now what you they go through. Ghosts they disturb now. Pensioner money will now hold and not pay their son die. Their spirit they worry now. All and all. Or you put now where be say that they pay pensioner everything they okay. He construct road money where he talk now he take construct. What you want make gun can't get fear. If they go house, he sleep in bed, one room. Nothing consign. He dey in room there. He don't need police. He don't need anything because he know they hold you. They hold you. He know the whole pensioner. He know the whole teacher. His children they go school where other people children they go. Nobody won't go kidnap them. The same police now they protect you now. Hospital where you they go now they go. Why you won't come from sick? Every day if you wake up now happiness they happy because nothing they might you know they hold anybody. If you walk out from here nobody won't go touch them. But you everybody won't kill you because you know say you be bad person. Only now they go with 100 police. At a local government chairman here now. Tomorrow now I will deal with her. I will call and say I deal with her. We sit down. No police there. They know they see police there. But we now police there everywhere. Yeah? Because but why police there will come evil one they do now they fear me person no come kill you now. For evil one do others. For people one kill. For people one don't destroy. Salary one the whole people. Now make una they fear now. Another thing they. I beg you. May God bless everybody. May God bless our leader. May God bless our leader. You know, may God bless our leader. Africa politician now be dead people. Now no normal. I know be human being. Honestly speaking. Anyway, thank you very much, my people. Good night for your time. Good night. Thank you for your time.